Hi guys, it's me, Melissa. I wanted to go over with you what seeds I started in my greenhouse on January 22nd, 2024. First of all, use a seed starting mix. You can use seed starting mix or like a light potting soil. Sometimes I'll just use Pro Mix from Walmart instead of the Jiffy seed starting mix. So you will just need to get it watered down. You'll want it to be moist. It takes quite a bit of water to get it there, but just till it clumps in your hand like I just showed you. And then you'll just pack it in your seed tray. You'll get it in there and then just go through and poke it down so there's no air pockets. And then just, put some more soil over that so it's nice and flush with the top. It doesn't need to be hard packed, just kind of loosely in there so it's all filled up. And the first seed I'm putting in is the cherry bell radish, and it is at a depth of 1/4 inch, so 1/4 inch deep. And I'm just using a Sharpie pen to poke a little 1/4 inch down. Just if you have a pencil or using your finger, whatever works. And I have never been able to grow a decent radish. So if anybody knows what the secret is, let me know. They never get bigger than, say a dime or my pinky. It's crazy. So don't forget to put your label in there of what it is and the date on there so you'll know. And then just go through and I just pinch the soil back over where I dropped the seed in. And after that, you'll want to make sure you spray it with your spray bottle just so it's nice and moist, and put a tray on top, which I'll show you that in a minute. What I'm doing now is cilantro. And cilantro, a lot of times in the winter greenhouse, I'll just throw a whole pile of seeds in there for cilantro, just rough it up, put a little soil over the top. I don't even know how deep it's supposed to be buried, but it'll come right up either way. So I just rough it around, throw the seeds in there, rough it around, and cover it with just a little bit of soil, and cilantro will come right up. So put your tag in there. And now I am on to something else. I can't remember what I'm doing here. We'll have to see. But fill it up, just like I explained before, so it's flush to the top. Oh yes, the beets. That is something else I have never been able to grow well. What is the secret for beets and radishes? So I've never grown them in started them in a tray like this. I've thrown them in grow bags, and it's never worked. So I thought, I'm going to try them in a seed tray, get them going in there, and then I'll transplant them to a grow bag and see if that helps. But these are at 1/2 inch deep. So again, if anybody knows the secret for beets and radishes, let me know. I have other friends that can't grow them either, so I don't know what the deal is. So now we are going to do, pretty sure I'm going to do Kill Dazzling Blue here. Yep, the Kel Dazzling Blue. So that is a 1/4 inch deep. So I won't keep talking you through the whole process. But you let me know if you have any questions. Post them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. I also have where I post a lot on Instagram and Facebook. You can find me there at Pretty Kansas Farm. One thing I did not show you when I started the seeds in the greenhouse, I started them and they were like this in the video. After you do that, you'll want to get your mister and just, go along and mist the seeds and just, make them nice and moist and gets everything set in place. And then you'll come in with your tray and put your tray on. This is really important. It helps hold in the moisture and the humidity and really helps them germinate. So that's a really important step. And then once they're germinated like this, almost all of them are germinated. You can wait till almost all of them are germinated before you take the lid off. So once most of them are up, then you remove the lid because they'll need all the light they can get to grow strong. This spray bottle, I love it. I got it on Amazon also, and it's not, it's not automatic, but you can kind of squeeze it a few times and it just keeps on going. I am gonna look and see if there's an automatic one. Because it does still get annoying to squeeze that a lot. But you can see, okay, one more time. If you squeeze it a bunch, let go, and it just keeps going. So anyhow, if you're looking for a bottle like that, I can link that also. If you know of a good automatic sprayer for, a handheld one, let me know in the comments. I wanted to show you where my seeds go once I get them started in the greenhouse. I do not have any heat. I don't use any heat in my greenhouse, so because of that, I bring them to my basement where I have heat mats and special grow lights. So I can link those down below what those are if anyone is interested. But what I have going so far for spring, well, for spring and for winter in the greenhouse, I guess. My ranunculus, I let it get a little too stretchy, but it should be fine. I already have a bunch of ranunculus in the greenhouse already. And then over here we have, these are green onions, and in here is chives. None of this is very pretty. It's all dirty. So I need to clean the trays better. In here is oregano. I just started these a couple of days ago. And lemon balm. This is the beets that I started in the video. The cilantro. That's the kale. And then up here is the radishes that I started in the video. And just a couple days ago on the 20th is when I started these, and they were up the next day. It was that quick. And this is mustard vibrant ultraviolet mustard greens, and Mizuna, which is also a green that's so good. So it always makes me happy when they pop right up like that. So, oh yeah, and then under here are all the Johnny jump ups that I did just the other day. I keep the cover on them because some people say they need to germinate in the dark. Others do not. Same thing with pansies. So sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't, and it works both ways. So that's what I have going so far, and I'll seed more stuff today. So just ignore all the dirt and the mess from the, you know, the seeds and stuff. But these are the heat mats that I use. I've used them for years now. I get them on Amazon, and they have never failed me. They always have worked great and do a good job. And then my shelving unit I got on Gardener's Supply. It is expensive, but it comes with the lights, which are all linkable, and I just did not know what to get. You know, some people do the shop lights, and one reason why I really like this system is I don't have to worry about raising and lowering it. I will never remember that. I will forget for sure. So those are, no matter how close or how far, well, I mean, there is a distance where they shouldn't be too far away, but they won't burn the plants. So they work perfect for me in my busy life. So yeah, those were from Gardener's Supply, and I have loved them, and it looks pretty, the bamboo wood stuff. So that is it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll include the link for the heat mats, maybe a couple other things that I like for getting seeds going. So have a great day.